In today's video, I'll show you how to update the Notion AI app. We will start directly inside the Notion desktop application on our main workspace screen. To check for any new updates natively, let's navigate our cursor over to the top left corner of the window, right next to the workspace profile name. Click on that small application menu icon to reveal the drop-down options. Inside this menu, you will see standard settings like File, Edit, View, and History. Move your mouse down and click on the option labeled Check for Updates. This will trigger the app to see if there is a newer version available for download. A small pop-up dialog box will appear on the screen, letting you know your current status. In this case, it shows that we are already running the latest version of Notion, specifically version 7.2.0. Since everything is up to date here, we can go ahead and click the OK button to dismiss the notification window. Now, if you want to be absolutely sure, or if you prefer managing your applications through your system's default store, there is an alternative way to check. Let's leave the desktop app for a moment and open up the Microsoft Store on your computer. Once the storefront interface completely loads up, move your cursor to the search bar located at the top center of the screen. Type in the word Notion and press Enter to look up the application. The system will process the query and bring up the search results grid. From here, click directly on the main Notion app tile to open its official product page. Once the page loads, look at the primary action button on the left side. If an update were available, you would see an update button here, but instead it displays a solid blue button that says Open. This gives us a definitive confirmation that your software is fully updated to the newest version. We can now click that button or switch back to our active window to securely enjoy all the smooth performance improvements and latest workspace features. And that's it. That's how you update the Notion AI app.